Nimbus. Down below in the navigation bar, you can find for level of marketplace. Here you can search for job Nimbus. Install it first. Here you can see like you can install it on the locations level, or also you can install it on the agency level as well. Right now I'm installing it on the agency level. Allow for both. Proceed. Yeah. So right now it's installing on the agency level, taking a while. Yeah, it's installed right now. After that, let's get over to any location. For example, I'm heading towards the location Ali. After that, in the navigation bar, you have to head over towards app navigation, app configuration. Let's get it configured. So we have to enter the API key here. For that, we have to just sign in for Job Nimbus. To get it signed, you have to sign in. Here you can find, after signing in, you can find for settings. Down below in the navigation bar, you can find for API. You have to copy that and configure it here. Submit the API key. Yeah, it succeed. After getting configured, we have to head towards in the automations. Here it is. Start from scratch. Let's create a new action using the job Nimbus. Down below, you can find for job Nimbus. So here it is, creating activity. Let's suppose save it. Let's search for notes. Add notes. Custom values. Yeah. Let's save this action. After that, let's just test it. Run the test. Head towards the execution logs. Click on it. Taking a while right now. Let's just text. Let's just test the notes. Here it is. Like you can see how it